Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining. In today's video, I'm bringing to you Fancy Fall Tablescape 2020, hosted by Glam Squad. The squad consists of four amazing ladies, styling with Stacy, Glamour Ellen, me, myself, and DIYing it, and inspired by Chanel. Please head over to their channels, they have amazing contents to share. The rule for this collab was to style an elegant, fancy fall tablescape. My inspiration for my elegant fall tablescape were the dinner and salad checker plates I purchased from Hobby Lobby at 90% off. For my centerpiece, what I did there is I used this pretty much almost the same centerpiece for a collab that I participated in. Just made some changes, few changes. The tray, I swapped it for this gold frame. I'm not sure where I purchased that from, maybe from a party supply store. And I added those green and navy pumpkins. And for my tableware, I used a navy blue placemat, my gold trim glass charger plates, the checkered dinner and salad plates, also a gold trim dinner plates. For 4 of the setting and 2 of the setting, I used the white and gold trim salad plate. I included the navy napkin with the gold napkin rings. The water goblet, I purchased those from Ross. They came 4 for $7.99, and I purchased 2 boxes. And the cake stands, those were DIY. I used Dollar Tree candle holders with the Dollar Tree clear plates, and that I DIY'd probably about 4 years ago, and I just placed the same exact plates I used for my table settings on top of that clear plate. And I also added navy blue pillows on each side. And this concludes my tour of my elegant fall tablescape. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you are not already a member of my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell twice so you won't miss out on any future videos. Thank you again and stay blessed.